Hidden Valley School is where the excitement of learning begins. At Hidden Valley, we have redefined education, creating an environment where your child's curiosity and passion are ignited from the moment they walk through our doors. In our classrooms, you'll witness the magic of hands-on learning. This is a place where desks are optional. Our flexible seating encourages students to take the lead, fostering a safe space for them to learn and grow. Our students dive into immersive science experiments, explore the wonders of the world, and discover their potential. Our commitment to holistic education shines through. With dedicated teachers, we cater to the unique needs of every child. Our specialists in music, art, PE, library, and noontime clubs adds a touch of creativity to every day. That's not all. Our students are involved in active clubs like the Green Team, Student Council, Noon Sports, Lego Building, Art Club, Library Lunch, and Children for Change, exploring their interests and developing leadership skills. Our K-5 students thrive in a supportive environment, encouraging social development and academic excellence. But what sets Hidden Valley apart? It's our vibrant and diverse community, focused on building community. With a strong support network, we are all about nurturing relationships, fostering connections, and tailoring education to every individual's unique needs. We celebrate every success, no matter how big or small, as we believe every achievement is a stepping stone to a bright future. Visit us to learn more about the journey of growth, creativity, and community.